You need to hear this if you're a tech enthusiast. Hi, I'm Pankaj Sharma, your narrator and a tech enthusiast. Today, I'm breaking down generative AI in plain English, the new buzzword that's everywhere, but not always easy to wrap your head around. So, what is generative AI? Imagine a computer that doesn't just analyze data, but actually creates stuff like art, music, code, or even the script. It learns from huge piles of examples, then makes something brand new that's never existed before. That's generative AI. The most famous of these are LLMs, or large language models. Think ChatGPT. These models read billions of lines of text and learn how to respond just like a human. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to write a professional email for you, summarize a long article into a few key points, or even generate code for a new app idea. They're like supercharged writing and coding assistants, always ready to help you brainstorm, explain, or create. Ask them anything. They'll write stories, help you code, crack jokes, or even explain complex topics in simple language. But it's not just about text. Enter diffusion models. These are the brains behind AI art, like Midjourney or DALL-E. For example, you can type in a prompt like a futuristic city at sunset, and DALL-E will create a brand new image that matches your description. Or use Midjourney to generate unique artwork that's never been seen before, all from just a few words. They start with random noise, literally static, and step by step transform it into a detailed image guided by your prompt. It's like watching a blank canvas magically fill with color and detail, all thanks to AI. Pretty wild, right? Now, holding it all together is a thing called a transformer. It's the secret sauce that lets these models pay attention to the important bits in your data, whether it's words, pixels, or sounds. Think of a transformer like a super focused reader. When you say the cat sat on the mat, but it quickly ran away, the transformer helps the AI figure out that it refers to the cat. This focus is what makes AI so good at understanding context. Transformers made all this progress possible, taking AI from clunky to mind-blowing in just a few years. They're used in translation apps to help you talk to anyone in any language, and in voice assistants that understand your requests and respond naturally. So, next time you see an AI painting or chatbot, you'll know it's generative AI, powered by LLMs, diffusion models, and transformers. Simple as that. If you learned something new, hit that like button and stay tuned for more tech breakdowns. Catch you next time.